Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, dual-zone climate control, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, leather steering wheel, power driver's seat and power passenger seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.